Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we will learn and solve chapter 10, questions 1 to 5 of self-practice exercise questions 10D of chapter 10. Chapter name is Plane Figures of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 5 self-practice 10D of chapter 10. Chapter name is Plane Figures and topics are circles, parts of a circle and exterior and interior of a circle. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. Answer the following. First bit A. What shape is a full moon? Full moon is the shape of a circle. Second bit B. What shape are wheels of scooter? Scooters wheels are circle shape. Now we will solve question number 2. Using the circle O, name the following. First bit A, 3 radii. First draw the given figure. This figure is given. This is a circle. This is center O. B. This is C. 3 radii. OC. OC is the radii. OA and OB. The 3 radii of the circle are OC, OA and OB. Second bit B, 3 chords. In this circle, 3 chords are, chord is the chord is a line segment joining any 2 points of the circle. So here A, B and C, these are the points on the circle. If we join the points A, C, AC is a chord, BC, BC is a chord, OC is a chord, OA is a chord, OB is a chord. So 3 chords are AC, BC and OC. BC and OC. AB. AB is the longest chord. Chord is a line segment joining any 2 points of the circle. O is the center, but A, C and B are the points on the circle. So AC is a chord, BC is a chord and AB. AB is the chord and AB is the diameter, that is the longest chord of the circle. So three chords of the circle are AC, BC and AB. Now third bit C, diameter. First draw the given figure. This circle is given. A, B, this is C and this is O, OC. Diameter. Diameter is the AB. AB is the diameter and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So diameter of this circle is AB. D bit. A triangle that has the center of the circle as the vertex. Triangle that has the center of the circle. O is the center and triangles are OAC. OAC is a triangle and OBC is a triangle. OAC and OAB. Triangle OAC and triangle OAB. The triangles that have the center of the circle as the vertex are triangle OAC and triangle OBC. OAC and triangle OBC. Now we will solve question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Given O is the center of the circle and the figure along inside. OL is the dash of the circle. First draw the given figure. This is a circle. This figure is given. This is A, B, this one is center O, C, D. This is L. And this is P and this is Q. OL is the dash of the circle. OL is radius of the circle. AB is a dash of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. And diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now third bit C. Dash is the chord of the circle. First draw the given figure. This is the circle and this figure is given. This is A, B, center O. This is L. This is C, D. And this is P, Q. Dash is a chord of the circle. We know chord is the line segment joining any 2 points of the circle. C and D are the 2 points on the circle, and CD is the line segment joining 2 points C and D. So CD is the chord of the circle. CD. D bit. CAD is a dash of the circle. CAD. CAD is the arc of the circle. This is arc. Now E bit. CADBLC is a dash of the circle. First draw the given figure. This is a circle and this figure is given. This is A, B, center O, OL, and this is C, D, and this is P and Q. CADBLC. CADBLC. CADBLC is the circumference of the circle. That is perimeter of the circle. CADBLC is the circumference or perimeter of the circle. Now we will solve question number 4. Refer to the adjoining figure and fill in the blanks. First draw the given figure. This figure is given. This is a circle. This point is O. This is A, B, P, Q. This is M. And this is over 90 degree. And this is C, D, O, L, and this is O, L. First bit A, COA, COA. This is COA. This one AOD, AOD. This one DOB, DOB. This one and BOC, BOC. This one are the days of the circle. These are the quadrants of the circle, and each quadrant is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. A circle is divided into 4 quadrants, and each quadrant is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now B bit. LOM is a dash of the circle. LOM. LOM is the sector of the circle. LOM is the sector of the circle. Now third bit C. PA, Q and P is a minor dash of the circle. First draw the given figure. This is a circle and this figure is given. This is A, B, C, D, O, L, O. This is L, this is M. This is P, Q. This is N. And all are equal to 90 degree. P, A, Q and P. P, A, Q and P. P, A, Q and P. This is the minor segment of the circle. This is minor segment of the circle. D bit. D. D bit. PB, Q and P. P, PB, Q and P. PB, Q and P is a dash segment of the circle. This is major segment of the circle. PA, Q and P is the minor segment, and PB, Q and P is the major segment of the circle. Now question number 5. State true or false. First bit A. The radius of the longest chord of the circle. Radius is the longest chord of the circle. This is false. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. This will be diameter. B bit. Diameter equal to half of radius. This is false. Diameter is twice of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. 2 times of radius. Now third bit C. Concentric circles have the same center. This is true. This is outer circle, this is inner circle, and this is center. Center. This is radius, this one is radius, and this one is radius. And center is O. So concentric circles have the same center. This is true. D bit. Line joining two distinct points on a circle is called secant. This is false. Line joining two distinct points on a circle is called chord. Now E bit. There are infinitely many diameters of the circle. This is circle. This is diameter. This is also diameter. Diameter. There are infinitely many diameters of the circle. This is true. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.